Magical Story Time.
Hello, kids. Welcome to Magical Story Time, where every story is full of fun and valuable lessons. Today, I'm going to tell you an interesting story about the cleverness of Lord Ganesha. So, sit back, listen carefully, and enjoy. A long time ago, on Mount Kailash, Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati lived with their sons, Lord Ganesha and Lord Kartikeya. Lord Ganesha was known for his wisdom and intellect, while his brother Kartikeya was famous for his strength and speed. One day, Lord Shiva called both his sons and said, "I have a challenge for you. Whoever among you can circle the earth 3 times first will receive a special reward." Hearing this, Kartikeya, who was swift and confident, climbed onto his peacock, saying, "This competition will be an easy win for me." He immediately flew off to begin circling the earth. On the other hand, Lord Ganesha looked at his large body and small mouths, his vehicle, and thought, "I can't race Kartikeya with speed. To win, I must rely on my wisdom and devotion." After thinking for a while, Lord Ganesha went to his parents, Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. He bowed to them and circled them 3 times. Then, he stood before them with folded hands. When Kartikeya returned after completing his 3 circumambulations of the earth, he was surprised to see Lord Ganesha already there. He asked in astonishment, "Ganesha, how did you return before me? My peacock is fast, and your vehicle is just a small mouse." Smiling, Lord Ganesha replied, "Dear brother, our parents, Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati, are the embodiment of the entire universe. Circumambulating them is the same as circumambulating the earth." Hearing this, Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati were overjoyed by Ganesha's intelligence and devotion. Lord Shiva declared, "Ganesha, you have won this challenge with your cleverness and devotion. You will be worshipped first before any other deity on all auspicious occasion." So kids, we learned today that wisdom and respect for our loved ones can help us achieve greatness. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Magical Story Time. I'll see you next time with another amazing story. Until then, stay happy and keep smiling.